As a kid, I have always been a fan of using toy cars to spend my leisure time. I always tell my parents to get me one of those toy cars down the store for my birthday or just whenever I see them. I vividly remember that sometimes I get frustrated when my wish wasn't fulfilled in having new toy cars. But anyway, the essence here is that we must have all loved cars as children, and even more so now as adults. In line with this, I want you to think of a movie from your childhood that allowed you to grow your love for cars and make yourself an enthusiast. Quite funnily, I'm sure the movie you're thinking of is called Cars. Remember Lightning McQueen, Tow Mater, Doc Hudson? These are just some of the iconic characters from the film that totally captured our attention. Now you must be thinking, how can cars be of importance in terms of money making? Well, that's exactly what we're going to get right into this video, as I am going to tell you some of the crucial financial lessons you can gain from Cars the movie. But before we pierce right through the gist, I would just like to give you a little disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, so better take all my advice with a pinch of salt, and take only what can be applied to you. I do my very best in telling you the latest information in terms of financial management. But if you are experiencing serious problems, that is the time to seek out services by professionals and experts to help you out with what you're facing. Welcome to the Quantum Wealth, where the road to success begins. Before starting with the video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and comment below your thoughts for today's video. Overall, the movie Cars is a pretty feel-good movie with perfectly timed highs and lows that got us at the edge of our seats. We always wanted to see how McQueen is going to overcome his struggles, and the same with Tow Mater as well. But underneath this shiny shimmering layer of ease and fun, there's actually something more meaningful behind the entire movie. You know me as a type to get right into the gist, so not prolong the agony, here are 5 lessons you can gain from Cars to manage your finances better. At number 5, ensure utmost importance to your connections. You have probably heard of the phrase that goes like, something is a one-man show. This implies that a certain thing was successfully accomplished without the help of anyone but the self. This may be true to a number of people, but if you truly wish to manage your finances better, then you must not rely on having a one-man show. Surely, it's vital to be independent and learn how to carry on with your tasks and obligations yourself. Of course, you can do that on your own. But don't you think it's far better to have someone to help you? It's better, right? You are going to need a helping hand to ensure you can manage your money better. This may be a business partner, a mentor, a life partner, a friend or a family member, or simply just a person you trust. Never disarray from these important connections because they will be the ones you lean on whenever you experience difficulties. But if you stay connected with them and always seek advice on how to spend your money better, then I'm sure you're not going to face any problems at all. At number 4, stay slow but steady. Life is not a race. Let's get that straight. You should never compare your own progress with the progress of others. You need to understand that everyone has their own pace, thus, there's no such thing as competition at all. With Cars, McQueen was not a superstar right there and then. He trained with the best and learned how to persevere slowly but surely. When the time came, he became the world's people champion and garnered massive success as a racer. This is something that you can do if you maintain your own pace. Never rush things and never seek out quick ways to spend your money. You must think long-term where the benefits outweigh the risks. If you just spend your money for swift gratification methods like going on a shopping spree, spending tons of money on an impractical vacation, or making expenses that are generally not significant, these make your money vanish like tearing them apart on a paper shredder. What you should do is to plan out your spending behavior and opt to make investments with high returns. At number 3, seek help from mentors. Like I said in the beginning, you can form meaningful relationships with your financial mentors that may impart wisdom regarding how you can manage your money better. This may be in the form of your parents, given that they are successful, your teachers, or your financial advisors. Just like McQueen, he was always eager to learn from the old champion, Doc Hudson, in order to gain insightful words and effective techniques on becoming a better racer. Pretty much like McQueen, you must never be too afraid to claim that you need help because again, being successful is not limited to a one-man show. Who better to help you with your money management problems than those with great wisdom, am I right? Hence the reason why you should seek advice from mentors. At number 2, don't close your doors for new experiences and people. Similar to the previous lessons, relationships are essential for financial success. In light of this, You must never limit yourself to only converse with your own circle. Sometimes, you can help but to outgrow your current social circle, and you may feel that your goals are no longer aligned with each other. You may find yourselves wanting different things, believing in different principles, and bearing different values. For McQueen, he slowly opened his heart to the folks at Route 66, and look where it got him to genuine success. Therefore, keep on exploring the world to look for people who share the same aspirations as you in becoming successful. Be it in starting a business together, building a firm hand in hand, or just working with each other to produce better results in a company. Just never close your doors for new experiences and people. At number 1, keep yourself down to earth. This may be the most important one. Keeping the virtue of humility will surely allow you to take yourself in better places. The thing with being humble is that you can use it as a main weapon for all the lessons I mentioned above, especially in building new relationships as well in strengthening them. I mean, who would want to work with someone who boasts regularly and who constantly makes insensitive remarks to their workmates? I really hate that, and I'm sure you don't like that too. To attain utter financial victory, you need to stay down to earth so that you will develop a more empowered sense to work harder, smarter, and better. This then paves the way for you to build meaningful bonds and then eventually achieve financial freedom. The future is all in your hands. That wraps up today's video. We hope you find this video helpful, and if you like today's video, please like and subscribe to the channel. See you at the next one.